Alright, what's going on today? We're going to Mira Mesa Cars and Coffee. Got the blue Mustang here. Something new. I have a radar now. And then I got myself a Barton short shifter. But I'm going to start the car up. Like I said, or if I did say, I'm running super late. Like the meet's like 45 minutes away and it starts in 20 minutes. So yeah.
Laser. GPS connected.
It's pretty cool. I like it, but I'm gonna go ahead and roll out. So enjoy these next few clips of me driving. Just arrived, finally. Man, it's not as packed as it usually is, so all this will be filled. But I'm gonna go find my club real quick, and I'll park. But so far, there's some good stuff here. So I just got here.
Hey, what up, man?
It's like Corvette day today, so it's got a whole lot of Corvettes.
So, like one thing to be cautious of, I only know this because I tried to go to Harbor Freight. Maybe Harbor Freight or some other place. But a lot of
limited edition Type R. It's pretty clean. It's 2K. Another S2K. Stinger. Ooh. It's pretty clean.
It's the white carbon fiber logo.
That's pretty cool.
You can, like barely notice.
Yeah, you can kind of see it.
I was looking at the super.
It's pretty clean. We got a Big Daddy GT500 right here. How I'm trying to be. Little Pro Charge LS3 setup. Inferno orange. Pretty clean. I'm trying to be like him. Next car's a C6. Mach 1 with the red accents.
It's not the same.
It isn't the same as Ricardo's?
Yeah.
Oh, it's because of the interior. It's super clean. Trying to be there. Here's my homie's Z06. Pretty clean. Big old welds on it. Pretty sweet. This wrap is pretty crazy. You got the seats to match. 90 M3, got a ZL11 Elite, Ford Focus RS, another E92 M3. Got a little bit of everything out here. This was a SEMA car. This is exactly how I build my Corvette.
For $1,000. I might be able to sell it for
Crossfire,
kind of do a bunch of those stack up.
R34. It's like one of the few R34s in the United States, I'm pretty sure.
I never understood that. Oh, yeah.
So we're leaving the meet. Sorry I didn't talk a whole lot during that meet, but we're going to another one right now. So this one should be, I think it's a little smaller, but it still should be fun. Yeah, we got, we're rolling in the pack of like, I don't know, I'll say like 9 or 10 people. So we'll see how it goes. So many cars. See all those guys over there. I have about like 6 more cars behind me. It's crazy out here. I think even more people are starting to merge into our little group here. But it's already getting rowdy, so this will be a fun drive, that's for sure. Sunday traffic too, so that doesn't help. bobbing there for right now. I don't think anybody's racing, but at least it gives me some POV footage, so that's kind of nice. But yeah, it's a nice drive. I like this freeway. We take this one up to other meets up north more. So, but yeah, we're just booking. That was a fun drive right there. It was a good, I don't know, 15 minute drive. So I haven't been to this meet that we're going up to right now, but I'm guessing it's supposed to be kind of cool. I didn't really look at the flyer all that much, but yeah, we'll check it out, see if it's cool, and maybe if they have another one, we'll go to that one. But yeah, look at everybody turning up there. So many people in this group, it's freaking insane. Of course I'm the last person because I'm the slowest, you know. I'm not trying to do triple digits and incriminate myself on the internet, so. Oh shoot. As I incriminate myself on the internet by going the wrong lane. Got a little baby cam. Can't hear it, but oh, did we park on the street or what? So I'm gonna park right now. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me a lot. Lets me know that you guys like my videos, and it motivates me more to put out more and more often. Hoping to do, wow, Rashad, you got really close to my car. Anyways, I'm hoping to do a POV drive, kind of like this, but not on the freeway, like the Canyon back roads.